A single letter that stands for everything you can imagine. Perhaps it's the first word that comes to mind. But its meaning is not limited to the place where we live. It's the way we have been and the way we will continue to be. We have treated Earth as if it revolved around us, the pursuit of progress for the sake of progress, however, is leading us to unintended consequences. We must humbly ask ourselves, what is most important? In what direction should we strive? We make small gestures for Mother Nature, gestures that yield the greatest efficiency for the driver. It's the hard-earned years of research and development, transforming a bold dream into a tangible reality, and continuing to pioneer the path less traveled. Together, we are creating true progress for humanity. Sustainable progress is no longer a distant dream. It is the reality we create and the reality we live in. While others struggle with the present, we at Hyundai have our eyes on the future and struggle for the well-being of the next generation. We are continually thinking outside the box to realize life-changing results. Emission-free, sustainable transportation solution is a present-day reality. Hyundai, a single word, or anything you imagine. XCIENT fuel cell.